Okay, so good evening all. Welcome to Get Solution Academy. Myself, Professor Ritesh, and let me start today's session. Today we are going to solve some question based on definite integral. Okay, we are solving definite integral. So we will solve some question based on this. Okay, so first question for today is find out integration of -2 to 2 dx upon 4 plus x square, and also solve the question using x is equal to 1 upon t. Put x equal to 1 upon t and tally the answer. Tally the answer. Are we getting same answer? So first thing, integration 1 upon a square plus x square dx is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. Okay, in our case it is -2 to 2 dx upon 2 square plus x square, so it is 1 upon 2 tan inverse x upon 2, limit is -2 to 2, so it will be 1 upon 2 tan inverse upper limit 2 upon 2 minus tan inverse minus 2 upon 2. So the next is I is equal to 1 upon 2 upper limit, so tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse minus, so tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 and it is minus pi by 4, so minus pi by 4, so answer will be pi upon 4. So directly solving we are getting pi upon 4. Okay, so now we will repeat it with putting x equal to 1 upon t, and very interesting result we will get. Okay, you will learn one important thing. Okay, okay, so let me clear this. Now we will put I is equal to integration x is equal to 1 upon t. Okay, so dx will be -1 upon t square. Okay, and limit will be, so limit will be when x is equal to 2 na, first x equal to 2, so that will be -1 by 2 to 2 reverse. Okay, dx will be minus dt upon t square, and it will be 4 plus 1 upon t square. So this is nothing but -1 by 2, so it will be -1 by 2 to 1 by 2, and minus dt 4t square plus 1. Okay, so now we can integrate it, minus will be outside, so we can say it is so we will write it -1 upon 2 to 1 upon 2 minus dt divided by 2t square plus 1, so x will be 2t. Understood? So integration will be minus tan inverse 2t. Understood? Write it down. Okay, so let me don't write directly, put take 1 upon 2 out, it will be 1 upon 4 is out, so t square plus 1 upon 2 square. Okay, so 1 upon 4 is out, taken out, so minus is there, 1 upon a, so a is 1 upon 2 tan inverse t upon 1 upon 2, and then limit. Okay, so -1 upon 4, then it will be 2 tan inverse 2t and limit is minus half to plus half. Okay, so this will be equal to, when you will calculate, you will get minus pi upon 4. Okay, it is minus pi upon 4. So that time we got the answer pi by 4. Here we got the minus pi by 4. So which is the correct one? So you must remember, whatever you are putting, it must be continuous in the region of जो भी लिमिट देके रखा है. ठीक है, so in our case limit was minus 2 to 2 and we have put x is equal to 1 upon t. So at x equal to 0 in between, so t is not continuous at 0, not continuous at 0, yeah, discontinuous at 0. Okay, so this is the learning from this example, that we cannot put x equal to 1 upon t because t is not continuous in this region. At x equal to 0 it is not continuous, so it is not applicable. This limit putting x equal to 1 upon t is not applicable. So pi upon 4 is the correct answer, not minus pi upon 4. Okay, please write it down. Okay, so let me write the in statement that the substitution must be continuous, in the interval of integration, This is clear. Now we will revise the we will see the properties of definite integral and then we will solve the question based on this. So let me write 3 properties. First property is a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of z dz. We can put x equal to z, very easy. If we will put x equal to z, we will get this. Number 2 property is, if I am integrating a to b f of x dx and if I will change the limit b to a, it will be minus. Quite easy, you know this. Now property number 3, a to b f of x dx. ठीक है, and in between c is there, so we can write a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. चलिए, so these two are very easy, 1 and 2, just for understanding. Question, property 3 we will use to solve the question. ठीक है, let me clear this. Now question number 1 for this property. ठीक है, question number you can write. So question is 0 to pi upon 2 sine mod 2x minus alpha dx. Evaluate where alpha is between 0 to pi. ठीक है, अल्फा की वैल्यू 0 से पाई के बीच में. ठीक है, so what will be the integration? Okay, so what we will do, let me put solution. 2x minus alpha is equal to t or any variable z. ठीक है, put 2x minus alpha is equal to z. So what will happen when x is equal to 0? Z will be minus alpha. When x is equal to pi by 2, z will be pi minus alpha. At x equal to 0, at x is equal to pi upon 2. Quite easy, there is no doubt. So now the limit will be 0 to सॉरी माइनस अल्फा टू माइनस अल्फा से पाई माइनस अल्फा एंड दिस इज साइन मॉड जेड एंड 2dx, यहाँ पर इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो 2dx इज इक्वल टू dz, तो dz विल बी dx will be dz upon 2. Okay, so now we can take 1 upon 2 out. This is minus alpha to pi minus alpha sin mod z dz. Please write it down. Okay, so you all must know the curve of sine. Sine का curve कैसा होता है? So you can say this is 0, this is pi and this is minus pi. So minus alpha is angle here. Let us say 0 से pi के बीच पे some value. So minus alpha to 0, this curve is negative. Means minus pi to 0 it is negative and 0 to pi it is positive. It means we will break the property number 3, 1 upon 2. We will break minus alpha to 0. Where z is, this will be negative, sin z dz, and from 0 to pi minus alpha this is positive. Understood? Write it down, then solve this. So let me clear this now. So I is equal to 1 upon 2 and minus sin t का इंटीग्रेशन माइनस साइन का इंटीग्रेशन माइनस cos. wait a minute, so integration minus alpha to 0, let me rewrite, minus sin z dz plus 0 to pi minus alpha sin z dz. So I is equal to 1 upon 2 minus sin का इंटीग्रेशन माइनस cos limit minus alpha to 0 plus minus cos z limit 0 to pi minus alpha. So now it is 1 upon 2 minus plus तो cos z, cos 0 minus cos minus alpha. So you know cos minus theta is cos theta only. So let me write first, then minus cos pi minus alpha minus cos 0. ठीक है? So when you will solve this, चलिए करिए. So cos 0 is 1, cos minus alpha is cos alpha only, and cos pi minus alpha. See, I is equal to 1 upon 2, cos 0 is 1 minus cos minus alpha is cos alpha minus cos pi minus alpha minus minus plus cos. ठीक है? So cos pi minus alpha. चलिए नेक्स्ट पेज पे लिखते हैं. लेट मी क्लियर दिस. So I is equal to 1 upon 2, 1 plus 1 2 लिखते हैं, minus cos alpha and minus cos pi minus alpha. This will be cancelled out. 1 upon 2 2 minus cos alpha and this is minus cos alpha. है ना, cos pi minus alpha is minus cos alpha. So that will be cancelled. So 1 upon 2, only 2 will remain. So answer is 1. Okay. Check. So let me check. Cos 60 you know is 1 upon 2 and cos 180 minus 60 and a pi minus, so it is cos 120 and cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. So cos theta is equal to minus cos 180 minus theta. ठीक है? So let me move to next property, next question. Okay, so next question is Next question is f of x is given by x square and under root x when x is 0 to 1 and x is from 1 to 2. Okay, so we have to evaluate 0 to 2 f of x dx. Chaliye, quite easy. So let us say it is I. So I is equal to, we will break limit into 0 to 1 f of x dx because function is different, and from 1 to 2 function is different. So 0 to 1 the function is x square, and 1 to 2 function is under root x. Okay, so I will be x cube upon 3 and limit is 0 to 1 plus x की power 1 by 2 मतलब x की power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 and limit is 1 to 2. So it is 1 upon 3 upper limit 1 cube minus 0 cube plus 2 upon 3 2 की power 3 upon 2 minus 1. Okay, so 2 की power 3 upon 2 is nothing but 2 root 2. So I will be 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 and 2 की power 3 upon 2 is 2 under root 2 minus 1. So 1 upon 3 plus 4 root 2 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. So 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is minus 1 upon 3. So 4 under root 2 minus 1 upon 3. This is the answer we are getting. Okay, chaliye please write it. For this, let me give you one property. Property number 4. You can use that property also, but there is no use. And directly we can solve. Chaliye. So property number 4. 0 to a f of x dx. I can break it into 0 to a upon 2 plus a upon 2 to a तो लिख सकते हैं, but साथ में we can write 0 to a by 2 only and f of a minus x dx. Okay, we will use this property in some questions where it will make easy. You just write it down property. You can prove it also because a by 2 to a f of x, put a minus x equal to new variable. Okay, so let me clear this. Now next question is so next question is evaluate 0 to 2 mod 1 minus x dx. You must know mod x is equal to plus x and minus x when x is greater than 0, x is less than 0. So based on this we can solve. So this is 1 minus x. Okay, so 1 minus x equal to 0, so x equal to 1. So we can say 0 to 1 function will be 0 to 1 function will be 1 minus x positive, and from 1 to 2 it will be negative. So this will be the I. Quite easy. करिए, solve करिए. So it will be 1 का इंटीग्रेशन x minus x का x square upon 2 limit is 0 to 1 minus 1 का इंटीग्रेशन x minus x square upon 2 limit is 1 to 2. So it will be 1 minus 1 upon 2 upper limit minus lower limit तो 0 हो जाएगा. ये in first and second is minus upper limit 2 minus 2 square upon 2 2 minus 2 0 minus lower limit 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so when you will solve this, I is equal to कितना आ रहा है 1 minus 1 by 2. Let me write 1 minus 1 by 2, then 2 minus 2 0 then minus 1 by 2, so minus minus plus, answer will be 1. Okay, check, write it down. You just remember this thing very importantly, this one. ठीक है, so let me write it here अच्छे से एक बार, that 1 minus x mod 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus x या minus 1 minus x. So when x is less than 1 and x is less than greater than 1 to 2, ठीक है, means 0 to 1 and 1 second. Okay, now next is, let me clear. Next question is, चलिए, some questions I am giving you to solve, ठीक है, practice questions, you will solve it and answer me in our WhatsApp group. So 0 to pi mod cos x dx. Question number 2, 0 to 2 mod x square plus 2x minus 3. Some practice question for you. Okay, now I am moving to next question. Next question is based on greatest, चलिए, greatest integer function. Let me clear this. When the function is in bracket like this, है ना, any value like this, so this is called greatest integral part. Greatest integral part. Because it is in integration, otherwise it is called greatest integer function. Let us say it is x. Okay, so from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1 its value is 0, between 1 to 2 its value is 1, from 2 to 3 its value will be 2, like this. Okay, minus 1 to 0 its value will be minus 1, ठीक है, from minus 1 to 2 its value will be minus 2, like this. So our question is evaluate integration from minus 1 to 1 x minus greatest integer function x dx. ये ब्रैकेट मत बनाइए, this indicate different thing, I will tell you in next question. ठीक है, if the bracket is like this, so this is called fractional part of x. This is called fractional part of x, and this is nothing but x minus greatest integer function x. Understood? Remember this. ठीक है, okay, so let me clear this. We have to evaluate minus 1 to 1 x minus greatest integer function x. So integration I is equal to minus 1 to 1 x dx minus 1 to 1 greatest integer function x dx. Okay, so now this is minus 1 to 1 x square upon 2 minus 1 to 1 minus, now I will break it into minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. What we have seen, from minus 1 to 0 its value is minus 1, and from 0 to 1 its value is 0. Okay, let me clear this. So I is equal to x square upon 2, limit is minus 1 to 1, ठीक है, minus -1 to 0, its value will be -1 dx. From 0 to 1, its value will be 0. So it will be 1 upon 2, 1 square minus 1 square. So that will be nothing, 0. Minus minus plus, this will be 0, plus it will be minus minus plus ना, x -1 to 0. ठीक है, तो ये तो हो गया 1 upon 2, 1 minus 1 0 plus 0 minus -1. Answer I am getting is 1. ठीक है, so answer I am getting is 1. Okay, so one more question I am giving you for practice. Find out 0 to 2. Find out 0 to 2 and fractional part of x. You know what is the fractional part of x? I told you x minus greatest integer function x. ठीक है, चलिए. Okay, you will also solve this question, and these 3 questions you will share it on me with WhatsApp group. Okay, so let me clear this. Now next property is, if you are having function 0 to a f of x dx, it will be is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, you can prove it just by putting f of a minus x equal to z. So you can prove it. Okay, so you can say the result. You can say, if you are having function 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x, so can you say it will be 0 to pi by 2 f of sin pi by 2 minus x. Sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x. It is equal to 0 to pi by 2 f of cos x. Understood? Similarly, you can say 0 to pi upon 2 f of 10x dx is equal to 0 to pi upon 2 f of 10x 10 pi by 2 minus x, means cot x dx. Likewise you can write it. Chaliye, so let me solve one question based on this. Very easy. Just write it down. So now question is, find out I is equal to integration 0 to pi upon 2 dx upon under 1 plus under root 10x. 1 plus under root 10x. So let me solve. 0 to pi upon 2. It is my advice कि if you are watching the recorded lecture, pause it, first try to solve it by your own and then see the solution. That is better option. Dx upon, and hint is put 10x equal to sin x upon cos x. Okay, so now you can say it is equal to 0 to pi upon 2 under root cos x divided by under root sin x plus under root cos x dx. Okay, so I is equal to, see, now can you say I is also put cos a minus x, so pi by 2 minus x, and divide by sin pi by 2 minus x, the property we are using, under root cos pi by 2 minus x, isn't it? So you can say it is equal to 0 to pi upon 2 under root sin x divided by under root cos x plus under root sin x, and this is dx. This is also I. and this is also I. So let me add this to I. So I plus I is equal to 0 to pi upon 2. Denominator is same, that is under root sin x plus under root cos x. Numerator are, first one is under root cos x, second one is under root sin x and dx. So it is 1, cancel out. So 0 to pi upon 2, 1 dx. So that is nothing but pi upon 2. That is 2i. That is 2i. Okay, write it down. So let me clear. So 2i is equal to pi upon 2. Hence you can say I is equal to pi upon 4. This is very common type of question. Okay. So based on this, let me give you 3 questions for your practice. Second is 0 to pi upon 2 log 10x. Okay, confirm the answer. WhatsApp me. 0 to pi upon 4 log 1 plus 10x. Question number 4. Same property, f of a minus x, है ना? Easily you are able to solve. Sin x minus cos x divided by 1 plus sin x cos x dx. These properties are very important. ठीक है? चलिए write it. These 3 questions. You will WhatsApp me your answer. Directly I can say this will be 0 because it is sin x minus cos x. जब you will put pi by 2 minus x, it will be cos x minus sin x. And denominator same रहेगा. So we will add, it will be 0. Directly you can solve. Others you will solve, let me know the answer. Okay, so let me clear this. Now next property is even and odd function. So minus a to a f of x dx. Next property number 5 or 6. 5 or 6 you can write. Minus a to a f of x dx is equal to, it will be either 2 times 0 to a f of x dx or it will be 0. It depends on function is even or odd. If f of x is equal to f of minus x, even function, then it will be twice 0 to a f of x dx, otherwise it is 0. When f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, that is odd function. Okay, and you must know sin x क्या है? Let us say f of x. So f of minus x sin minus x, that is minus f of x. So sin x क्या है? Odd function. Sin x is odd function where if f of x is equal to cos x, f of minus x is cos x only. Cos minus x is cos x. So cos x is even function. ठीक है? Now even into odd is equal to odd. ठीक है? इवन को प्लस ले सकते हो, ऑड को माइनस ले सकते हो. तो प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस. ठीक है? एंड ऑड इंटू ऑड इज ऑल्सो इवन. ठीक है? साइन स्क्वायर हो गया, तो साइन स्क्वायर, साइन एक्स इंटू साइन एक्स, बोथ आर ऑड, तो दैट इज साइन स्क्वायर. सो स्क्वायर इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. ठीक है? चलिए राइट इट डाउन. सो लेट मी क्लियर, है ना? इवन इंटू इवन एंड बाकी तो ठीक है. चलिए, सो द क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन व्हेन वी विल डील विद फोरियर सीरीज. So minus 5 pi by 4 to pi by 4 x cube sin की power 4x dx. ठीक है? So x cube you know odd function, साइन की पावर 4, so that will be even function. ठीक है, and this is odd function. Why it is odd function? F of x x cube, f of minus x cube, so that is x cube and that is minus x cube, so odd function. F of minus x is equal to minus f of x, odd function. So hence minus pi upon 4 to pi upon 4, this is odd function. So is equal to 0. ठीक है, write it down. Now the question, let me clear this. So now question is minus pi upon 2 to pi upon 2 and sin square x dx. Sin square हो गया ना, so this is even function, so I can write it 0 to 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx as sin square x is even function. राइटिंग थोड़ा सा देखिएगा, ये पेन से थोड़ा सा बोर्ड के रिस्पेक्ट में बेकार ही आता है. ओके, सो द पॉइंट इज 2 times 0 to pi upon 2 sin स्क्वायर को आई विल राइट 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 dx. ठीक है, सो 2 and 2 कैंसिल, 1 का इंटीग्रेशन x लिमिट क्या 0 to pi upon 2 माइनस cos 2x का इंटीग्रेशन sin 2x upon 2 0 to pi upon 2. So I is equal to pi by 2 minus 0 minus 1 upon 2 and sin 2 into pi by 2 मतलब sin pi minus sin 0, both are 0. So answer is pi upon 2. चलिए, so let me clear this. सभी ने लिखा? चलिए, now one very important question. ठीक है, you will learn something new. See, if you would like to integrate minus 1 to 1 d by dx of tan inverse 1 upon x and dx. ठीक है, so first let me solve incorrect one. इसका incorrect answer के साथ. So integration and d by dx will be cancelled. So you can write minus 1 to 1 tan inverse 1 upon x. So sorry, integration is done. So you will put minus 1 and 1. So tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse minus. So pi by 4 minus pi by 4, answer will be pi upon 2. ठीक है, तो this is wrong method. This will give you wrong. Why it will be wrong? Because 1 upon x is not defined at x equal to 0. So how to solve it correctly and what will be the answer? So you know, can you write, just change ये जो tan inverse है, चलिए let me clear this first. Okay, tan inverse 1 upon x is equal to cot inverse x. That we can do. Now we have converted x into cot inverse x. There is no doubt. ठीक है, now again please remember minus 1 to 1 d by dx cot inverse x dx. So differentiate it here only, minus 1 to 1. differentiation of cot inverse x will be minus 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Now, any mistake? Now you know 1 upon 1 plus x square even function is odd function. F of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. F of minus x is also 1 upon 1 plus minus x square. That is same. So f of minus x is equal to f of x means even function. So if it is even function, I will be, let us say, 2 times 0 to 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. So minus 2 is common. 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x, limit 0 to 1. So tan inverse 0 is 0, tan inverse 1 is minus 2, tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So answer is minus pi upon 2 and this is the correct answer. Okay, please write it down. Okay, very interesting concept. So whatever you are integrating, it must be continuous in the given limit. ठीक है, 1 upon x जो था वो minus 1 to 1 में continuous नहीं था, x equal to 0 पे defined ही नहीं था. ठीक है, चलिए write it. Now based on this I am giving you some 2 questions for practice. Write it down. Again you will send it on our WhatsApp group. Okay, so question number 1, practice question. Minus 1 to 1, use the property log of 2 minus x upon 2 plus x dx. Property number 2, question number 2, 0 to pi है ना, बड़ा क्वेश्चन है, ध्यान दीजिए, बट नॉट डिफिकल्ट वन. sin 2x इंटू साइन, प्रॉपर्टी सी हो जाएगी, पाई अपॉन 2 cos x डिवाइड बाय 2x minus pi. Find out its value. Let me give you options that will be more comfortable. A, B, C, D. 8 upon pi, pi upon 8, 8 upon pi square, and pi square upon it. ठीक है, चलिए write it down. Tell me the correct answer on our WhatsApp group. पूरा solution भेजिएगा. Okay, so let me clear this. Now let me move to next property. You can prove these properties. Please try to prove it. Property number 7. If it is 0 to 2, that is very important property. You can solve some question directly based on this. Difficult one. It is 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. ध्यान दीजिए. If f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, and it is 0 if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus x. Understood? Write it down. You can prove it. You have to prove it. Okay. So the next is, based on this we have the question. Write it down. You are having question find I where it is 0 to pi. One question we will solve and other I will give you as a practice question. 1 plus cos square x. Okay, so x dx upon 1 plus cos square x. Check. Okay, so let me clear this. Now see, it is, we are having 1 x over here. Can we remove it? Which property? F of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Understood? So I is also equal to 0 to pi. सारे x की जगह क्या रख दीजिए, a minus x. So pi minus x dx upon 1 plus cos pi minus x square minus cos x का स्क्वायर सेम रहेगा. So that will be 0 to pi dx upon 1 plus cos square x minus 0 to pi x dx upon 1 plus cos square x. If I will add this to I, so only this term will remain because this one and this one will be cancelled each other. Okay, so let me add this to term. So what we will get? We will get 2i is equal to 0 to pi and pi dx upon 1 plus cos square x. Okay, now it is equal to which property we have seen? We can write it 0 to 2 into pi by 2 upon 1 plus cos square x. So f of 2a minus x, if it means f of pi minus x is equal to f of x here, because f of x is 1 upon 1 plus cos square x. So f of pi minus x is also 1 upon 1 plus pi minus x is cos minus x, that is same. So we can write it 2i is equal to 2 times ये पाई को ही बाहर निकाल लिया 0 to pi by 2 dx upon 1 plus cos square x. Why we did this? Why we converted into 0 to pi by 2? Because you must know cos function is like this. Okay, so it is better कि हमने उसको केवल 0 से pi by 2 में ही ब्रेक कर दिया. ठीक है, write it down. अब now dx upon 1 plus cos square x, this is also yes, चलिए write it down. तो 2 से 2 cancel, 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So let me clear. Now I is equal to pi into 0 to pi by 2. I have multiplied sec square both this side. क्या था? 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus cos square. I have multiplied because we solved this question ना. 10 square को we can put 1 plus 10 square. Sec square को we can put 1 plus 10 square. So I is equal to pi 0 to pi upon 2 sec square x dx divided by 1 plus 10 square x. Okay, so I is equal to pi into, put 10x equal to z, put 10x is equal to z, sorry z. Okay, so हाँ, and 0 to pi if I will put 10x equal to this, तो वो भी बीच में pi by 2 पे it is discontinuous. ठीक है, so we cannot put that, that's why we have to convert it into 0 to pi by 2. So 10x equal to z, so sec square x dx will be dz. So I will be pi into 10 0 0, 10 pi by 2 is infinite, so it will be dz upon 2 plus z square. ठीक है, so 2 की जगह we can write under root 2 square. So I will be pi into 1 upon under root 2 tan inverse z upon root 2, and limit is 0 to infinite. So I is equal to pi upon root 2 tan inverse infinite minus tan inverse 0. So pi upon root 2, and this is pi by 2 minus tan inverse 0 is 0. So pi square upon 2 under root 2, this is the answer. Okay, so pi square upon 2 root 2 is the answer of our question. Write it. Now I will provide you 2 questions for the practice. Write it. Similar property. Okay, so let me clear this. Now write down the question. 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x, and that will be is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x, that you know. So find its value. Quite difficult question, quite interesting question. अच्छे से करिएगा. Number 2, and you must remember this. जो आएगा आंसर, but you must remember this. Okay, चलो, this is enough. Write it down. One question for practice. Now let me move to next property. So next property is property number 8. A to b f of x dx is equal to a to b. पहले जब 0 to a था तो हमने a minus x लिखा. If it is a to b, so we will write a plus b minus x dx. Okay, so one question we have solved. You remember integration 1 upon ab 1 plus under root 10x. We have solved this. Limit was 0 to pi by 2. Now I have changed limit to pi by 6 to pi by 3. Now we have to find out. So this is I. So using this property, can you write is equal to, or you can say I is equal to pi by 6 to pi by 3 1 upon 1 plus under root 10 pi by 3 plus pi by 6 minus x dx. So I is equal to or we can do that. ठीक है, pi by 6 to pi by 3, and this will be 1 upon 1 plus under root pi by 2 minus x, that is cot x. ठीक है, so we have written this pi by 6 pi by 3. साइन को लिख दीजिए, 10 को लिख दीजिए साइन अपॉन कॉस. So this is under root cos x divided by root sin x plus under root cos x, and here I is equal to pi by 6 to pi by 3, and it will be cos upon sin. So under root sin x upon under root sin x plus under root cos x. Now add these two. So again you will get 1 inside the integration, है ना. सेम आंसर आएगा क्या? No. Earlier we got pi by 4. Okay, let me clear this. So when you will add these two, you will get 2i is equal to pi by 6 to pi by 3, and when you will add this you will get 1. ठीक है, so it will be pi by 3 minus pi by 6 because integration is x. So this is pi upon 6. So I will be pi upon 12. Okay, the property is similar. we solve this, write it down. Okay. So this is enough for today. We'll solve more questions in the next class. चलिए Leibniz rule and periodic function definite integral. Okay. So with this we will end our session today. Bye bye. Take care. If any doubt, please let me know in our WhatsApp group and solve all the question what I have given. With this we will end our session today. Bye bye. Take care.